So let's test out the RICOH theta-x with the new theta-client v1.1, and the live preview is working. I'm going to play a video here on the monitor so we can check out the motion here. So I'll take the picture. Camera took the picture, and we can see the results here on the screen. This is looking good. And let's go back and we'll test a capture video. So again, the live preview is working. We can see some motions on the monitor. I'll take a short video clip for testing. Then I'll press stop capture. And it appears here. And the video is working very nicely with audio as well too. Perfect. And so the first one's a video, but we'll go to the image. So I'll first get the code from the RICOH GitHub repository. So I'll clone it down. I'm going to switch directory into the theta-client. So they have 3 tags. The last one is this 1.1.0, which lists a bunch of changes, right? So we're going to use this tag from the releases. And I'm going to switch to this branch. Okay, so I'm in the README now, and let's check it out. So I want to do it for Flutter, so it says to look at the README in the Flutter directory. Flutter and README. Pretty basic. It's just go into this demos and then do Flutter run. Well, let's check it out. Go to demos, demo Flutter. So I have a couple of devices. One of it is this emulator. Maybe I'll first get it, or let's see what happens with file directions. Flutter run -d emulator 5556. Okay, it says, so I'm on Windows. First thing is this versioning failed. Alright, so I'll pop open VS Code and check it out. Alright, so the error message is indicating that in the packages here, this thing's a file, and on Windows, this directory path is not happy, so I'm going to delete it. And then selecting packages, I'm going to create a new folder. This will probably work on if you're on a Mac or Linux, but on Windows, we have to jump to a few more hoops here. So the directory instructor was looking for this Flutter folder, and most likely I need Android lib and the pubspec.yaml, so I will attempt to copy it in. Okay. It just ran flutter pub get automatically. We'll give it another shot here. So now there's an error message here about searching through the Maven repos, and it can't find the theta-client. So let's now go into Android, build.gradle, and we see the repositories here. So we'll go Maven local, and we'll see whether it helps. Let's try to build it again. So the key part here is it couldn't find it, right? It's trying to find the theta-client, and then it's searching these directories, but because the Maven or the repository it's local, it didn't find it. Okay, the build went smoothly, and we'll check out the emulator. Looks good. It's already connected. Make sure it works. Camera live preview works. Takes the picture. Has a little, well, I guess my hand's moving. And then we'll stop the video. Video is transferred over to the mobile phone, and it's working, but I guess I'm not really moving too much, so it's kind of difficult to see, but it is working. And there's a number of new commands to the theta-client, and we'll build a separate app and test this out in the future. I think the theta state now has the latest file URL, which is great.